Hello and thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel, Today's Wordle Solved, where you guess it, I solved today's Wordle. You'll see the strategy I used, plus I'll give you tips and tricks on how to be the best Wordle player you can possibly be. So take a little time and check it out. You'll be glad you did. Let's go. Here's Wordle number 739 for June 28th, 2023. It's a Wednesday. I've used some different starter words recently, and here's one that I've never tried before, and I think this is a word that will be accepted. Adios. Oh, and I only have the A, so just a terrible fail right here. Not good at all. So now I have to use a word that has the three other vowels, which are U, E, sometimes Y. So let me use cutie, C-U-T-E-Y. Let's go. All right, now I have two more letters, the C and the T, and they are both in the wrong place, as is the A. So let me see if I can put these letters together to come up with a word. If I go T, X, A, C, I will have to find another consonant that goes next to the T, which could be an H, T-H-A-C, thack. That's not right. So there's really not another letter that will go where the T is, so I don't think this is correct. Let me try again. Blank A C blank T. This means there would have to be a vowel before the T, and the only vowel that could work would be another A. So, a T. And I don't think there's anything that will work here. So let's try again. Let me do this. T-R-A-C-K, track. T-R, I've used the A, the C, and the T. Okay, there's a possibility it could be this. If not, it will give me some more clues as to whether I have the letters in the right position. Let's go. Oh, gosh. Oh, come on. What are you doing, Tracy Bennett, who is the editor? You fooled me here. T-R-A-C-K is not it. So what's the last letter? Q, W, P, F, G, H, J, L, Z, X, V, B, N, M. It's none of those letters, and I think I see what she's doing here. She's trying to fool you, and the T is being used twice. So the only word I can come up with is tract, like a tract of land, and that's just kind of an unusual word, but I'm pretty sure this is it. Yep, it is. I think she tried to fool us wordlers again. Probably everyone thought it was track, but it's not, it's tract. So there you have it, how I solved today's Wordle. I hope you learned something from watching this video, and if you did, I hope you take the time to like it, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching, happy wordling, and be sure to tune in tomorrow for the next Wordle solution.